In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up MetaTrader 5 from scratch. We'll go from the very first download to placing your first trade on a Windows computer step by step in a clear and beginner-friendly way. Start by downloading the MT5 installer. Head to the official MetaTrader 5 page from MetaQuotes or use your broker's MT5 link and download the Windows setup file. Once it's on your computer, locate the installer, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. This helps avoid permission issues during setup. Accept the license agreement, keep the default installation location unless you have a reason to change it, and let the process finish. It typically takes just a few minutes. When it's done, MT5 should launch automatically. If it doesn't, open it from your desktop shortcut or the Start menu. Next, you'll need a trading account. If you're new to trading, a demo account is the safest place to start because it lets you practice without risking real money. In MT5, go to File, then open an account. In the window that appears, choose the demo option, select a demo server from the list, and enter a few basic details. Pick an account type, choose your preferred currency, and set an initial virtual balance. Click Next or Finish, and MT5 will provide login details. Keep them safe. If you already have an account with a broker, go to File, Login to Trade Account, enter your account number, choose the correct server, and connect. When you're in, you'll see live prices streaming. Let's get familiar with the interface. MarketWatch displays real-time prices for instruments like Forex pairs, stocks, and indices. Right-click inside it and choose Show All to reveal everything your broker offers. The Navigator panel is where you'll find your accounts, indicators, expert advisors, and scripts. Charts are where analysis happens. You can switch time frames, add indicators via the Insert menu, and use drawing tools to mark levels and trends. At the bottom, the toolbox shows your open trades, your history, alerts, and a journal of platform activity. Before trading, customize your workspace. In Tools, open Options and set your preferred color theme for charts. Make sure your time zone matches your broker's session times, and save your chart layouts as a profile so you can quickly restore them later. Finally, place your first trade. Choose an instrument in MarketWatch, right-click it, and select New Order, or press F9. Set your volume, define your stop-loss to limit risk, and a take-profit to lock in targets. Click Buy or Sell to execute. You'll see the position in the toolbox under Trade, where you can monitor or close it when ready.